Greetings. I don't know if you can see the mountain. There's Mount Ashland, Southern Oregon. I took some photos a little earlier of streaks of chemtrails in a radiating, like rays from the sun, like radiating from the mountain. Now it's all turned into what I call Chem Haze. And just all along the valley here, there's like a blue look, hazy look. And what the authorities will tell you is that that is ozone. Okay. I firmly disagree, and I'll explain to you why. I work with ozone every day. Ozone is a byproduct of an electromagnetic field. And I work with Tesla coils that actually do healing work with electromagnetism, plasma, and ozone. So I know how ozone is produced. It's produced when 3 oxygen atoms are fused together. And what fuses them together is kind of like a particle collider action of the electromagnetic field. And the reason we have an ozone layer around our planet is because up in the higher atmosphere there's a lot more UV, and there's a Van Allen radiation belts and a lot of ionizing radiation, and that is where ozone is actually manufactured by the planet in the electromagnetic field. So if there is a hole in the ozone layer, there has to be a hole in the electromagnetic field, because that's just the way it works. Ozone is not produced in the lower atmosphere like it is in the upper atmosphere, where there's a constant manufacturing and buildup and production along the Van Allen radiation belts. A bolt of lightning will create ozone at the lower atmospheric levels, when it, especially if it strikes something on the ground, and you usually will smell ozone. It has a very distinct odor, depending on how concentrated it is. It is very volatile. It only remains O3, ozone, for a few hours. Then it breaks down in O2, singlet oxygen, single oxygen. It just breaks down into oxygen. So there's no way on Earth it is possible for ozone to be a pollutant. But you will see article after article after article of brainwashing telling you that ozone is dangerous, or lower atmospheric ozone. It's just oxygen. And that people actually fall for it and believe it just blows my mind. Ozone is so unstable. Even if it were toxic, it wouldn't even last long enough to really make a dent. And if it was really strong in the lower atmosphere, you would smell it. Okay? What happens when a bolt of lightning comes through the air? It cleans the air. That's why after a thunderstorm, the sky is cleaner, the earth is cleaner, the air is cleaner. So I just observed all this happening today, and I just want to point this all out. This is Chem Haze. God only knows what's in it, but I would bet my life this is not ozone. Okay. Thank you for listening.